Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lade Ibikunle, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like and share the video with your friends. So today I'm going to be showing you how to DIY the Fenty body lava body luminizer thing that is going on, because nobody in Nigeria has money to ship it down to Nigeria or has money for it. Well, I don't. So I'm going to be needing PS baby oil. By the way, I saw this online, so this is not my invention. I saw viral videos online. I thought I should try it and let you know how it goes. So PS baby oil. Then I'm going to be using my Usher's Shine body bronzer. Next, I'll be taking this broken highlighter that I have from my palette, and then I'm going to be using this bottle. Yes, it's currently not empty, so I'm going to be pouring the body mist into this other jar. I don't want to use this long jar for the DIY, so I'm going to pour in my body mist inside the jar, and then I'm going to leave some of the body mist in the bottle because I want some scent to my body lava. And now I'm adding PS baby oil to the body mist inside the bottle. Yeah, yes, that's how it's looking. I'm just adding some more oil, and then I'll shake the bottle together so that the body mist and the oil can mix up. Let them marry. Yes, shake it, baby, shake it. Okay, shake it. Shake it. So this is what it's looking like now. Looking good. So now I'm going to take my bronzer and start to scrape it off. By the way, I'm using the back of a spoon to scrape the bronzer off the can. I'm just going to blend it and make sure everything is finely, is smooth and fine. And then I'll be pouring it on this paper and scraping some more. I'll also take some highlighter from this broken classic palette and add it to the bronzer. Then I'll open the mixture and pour my bronzer and highlighter into the bottle. Yeah. And then mix everything together. Oh my god, look at how it's looking. It's looking nice. Oh god, it looks so nice in this bottle. It looks like that's how I bought it. Now to testing. I'm just taking a pump and putting it at the back of my hands and rubbing it together. It's looking nice. Can you see that shine? Look at that. That is beautiful. Wow. Wowza. I deserve some accolades. Oh, that looks nice. Look at how shiny it is. And it's going to dry down because normally, we use PS on our body. So, wow. Look at it side by side. My, dry, ashy hand. And I'm also going to test it on my chest or my arm. Wow, this is, guys, this is definitely staying in my wardrobe, definitely, and I recommend you try it out too, and let me know what you think about this DIY. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Also leave your comments down below because I really want to know how you feel about this DIY. Till next time, bye.